Evening. Right, this is a cheeky little order over to one of my favourite customers. I won't mention his name or where he lives or anything, you know, obviously for privacy, but I do love delivering for him and his dog, and let's hope they're in good form today. But anyway, yeah, so here we are. This is a Monday night and it's been quiet. Hiya! I must find out his name. Oops. Okay, this is the best route. Doom's gloom, we can do you. Boy, I need a new chain. I need a new chain. Hi, it's Deliveroo. Cheers! Evening. Quite surprising to see people here. When I come to visit, there's not usually anyone here. It's like dead, all the lights are switched off. It's like, oh shit, people. The size of my bag. Oh, does my bag look big in this? I might cut that.
5th floor.
It is indeed. Captain! Hello, puppy. Hello, puppy. How are you? And I remember your name, Stella. Where have you gone? Where are you going? Cheeky boy, girl rather. Right, let's do this before I forget.
Yeah.
Done and done. Nice to see you again.
Yeah, and you?
How are you doing?
Yeah, not bad, thank you.
What are you doing? What are you doing? So there's a lot of dogs on my rounds, but yeah, yours is obviously the most bouncy. Most bouncy.
Not bad for 15-year-old.
15.
Yeah.
Right, here we are. Careful, careful. Careful of the bag. Wait,
Yeah.
it's a bit brittle.
No problem there. Thanks very much.
Have a good evening then.
Yeah.
I always like delivering to him and his dog. I love that. I miss dogs. I miss dogs. Steph just says, oh, get one then. Just go and get one. And then, I don't know. Don't know what I'm thinking really. You know. So yes, Stella's 15. She's bouncing around like a 5-year-old.
Ground floor.
Thank you.
All right, see you later.
Okay, well that was a lovely little delivery. I think that's probably going to be a bit too short to run just as one video, so I might make that into a little compilation with someone else. Super illegal, no helmet on, but yeah, I'll wear a bloody mask, that'll protect me. I'm gonna knock it on the head now. Maybe I'll bring you back a bit later. How about that for a start to a video then? Been run over by a bus. Okay, we've got a biggish order and we're delivering over to the posher part of town. It's a fairly heavy bag, so I am not talking too much. Let's cross the road. I need to sort out the map. Okay, we've got to ride against the wind the whole way as well, so that's fun. Let's just putting in a map. So here we go, we've got an 8-minute ride with 17 grocery items on our back. Check the shadow out. And we're going against the wind, and we accepted the challenge. I tell you what, I need to pump my tyres up. When I got this much weight going, it compresses things down a bit. And we've also got the problem with the straps, where the buckles don't stay tight any longer. So I ride along like that now, like a bloody chicken. 7 minutes. But yeah, hopefully it's a good delivery. I'd have loved that skate park when I was younger, or if I was still riding a BMX. I had a go on it on this bike. Hilarious. Very good job there was no one else there. So it's pretty windy. It feels windy, but it's still a lovely day, as you can see. All the lockdown dog walkers. Evening. I wonder who that was. I've done big deliveries like this before, and I've said, it's a good job the wind's with me, or we're going downhill. And we've all got our vibe, haven't we? Turk's Lane. Shoeboxes for the rich and famous. They look like robot heads, don't they? But you would, wouldn't you? Okay. How are you? It's in a while. Oh yeah, that's kind.
It's lovely. I've only got myself a cheapy, but I love it. Leave it on the wall, I don't mind, that's my window.
Look at that.
It's sure.
Sorry for the wait. I think I was in the shop about 15 minutes.
Oh, what? It took them ages to put.
Yeah, because
You cycle without the back,
you were just around here, aren't you?
Yeah, Phil, are you all right to
Yeah.
Cheers.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry, I forgot my phone.
Yeah, you got to wait for them to pack it, I guess, haven't you?
Yeah, they're all good fun though.
Wait a bit.
So, I've arrived. Do you have a number for me? Oh, I've got,
5'8".
hang on, we've got to do the ID. Yeah, so you got a bike then in the end?
I love it. It's
That's a good,
cheapy,
that's a
but I love
lovely
it.
bite.
To be fair, I enjoy it. I'm
Yeah.
not great on it, but
And mine was only £650.
that was 80.
Ah, you did even better than I did then.
80, but you know,
It's like, that's a bit,
fun.
you're being a bit smug though, aren't you? Yeah.
I spend more time polishing it and looking at it.
Oh, good for you. Right, that's the little light one. Yeah, that's all right, that
Your
one.
bloody fitness must be amazing.
This one requires 2 hands because the bag's going to rip.
Yeah, they do.
There we
How
are.
long have you been doing it?
4.5 years.
Were you fit when you started?
I didn't feel it. It's like I remember I did one order from Bournemouth up to like Ensbury Park, and it was a Five Guys to some student kid. And it was
you
like,
were like,
yeah, and I like turned up there and I thought, I'm like trying to be cool, you know, and here you go, mate, and here you go, mate. And yeah, cheers, snatched it in. I had to go and sort of lay down. I had to go and have a lie down in the park afterwards, and then didn't ride for about a week after that, getting over it. And it just built up. I still feel like I'm not fit.
You must be.
No, but I still feel like it's like you just think, oh, I guess you keep just going a bit further
Yeah, you must.
and they go a bit faster, so you never feel like you get anywhere.
One of the guys who does this, and he looks equally as fit, he does ultra marathons. You know, you think, bloody hell, doing ultra marathons and this for a...
Yeah, that's what he tells you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, see you next time. Cheers. Right then. Oops. Missed my junction. That's only because I can't see around the corner. The white car, that's my mark. There you go. Right, done and done, and I'll bring you back when I get the next order, in theory. Back we are, and we've got a Kakaru to pick up. We've all got our vibes. So I was just riding through the estate, and basically a woman pulled out on me with her car, and I rode round her, it was all good. And I was riding off, and then I looked back. I waved at her to say, yeah, that's all right, don't worry about it, that's all right. And she was like, she was doing all the hand gestures as if it was my fault. Just basically pulled out into the road. I mean, she probably lives there and she can probably do it all the time. But she just pulled out and I rode round her. It's all good. I mean, I don't know why, you know, there was no one there looking. I don't know why she had to do all the hand signals, you know, like, what the hell are you doing? I don't know. Everyone gets really good at miming, don't they? It's better if people took responsibility, then they try harder not to fuck up. Thank you. Those fucking parrots or something. Oh yeah.
Hello.
Right, my number is that one, 6818.
It's gonna be 3 to 4 minutes.
3 to 4, that's all right, I'll wait for it. So I've picked up that Kakaru and I've got my map and I'm going Lagland Street, right. Let's crack this one off. It's only a 3-minute ride. That is a standard issue Deliveroo helmet. So that customer's bike was like under £100. But that last delivery, her bike under £100. That makes me feel, I don't know. Mine was 650. It's brand new. I thought that was cheap. After I switched off the cameras, just thinking that Kakaru had a nice little vibe. A lot of people going in there just for their dinner, I suppose. They got, I guess, you know, some local regulars that know what they want. And it's bam, 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 you know exactly what they want. An extra of this, an extra of that. So where I am, as I really like Kakaru, and I've really enjoyed what we've ordered. Steph and I order from there sometimes, and I really enjoy what we get. I'm going to go the proper way, but I don't know what to order. To be honest, I always like things which are a bit like a curry. Rice and some meat and some sauce of some sort, and a bit hot. That's probably what I like. Pretty much, I like energy-free food, stuff I don't have to chew. You know, at a push, I could just swallow it. What you're talking about is chunky soup. Right, we're nearly there-ish. And we're on this road. There we go. Let's have a little look a bit further around. Should lock this up really, but there's no one about. Deliveroo, you're keen. You were like waiting by the door, weren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you got a number for me?
Yeah.
Cheers. Bam, thumbs up.
Thank you.
Sometimes it doesn't work, you know,
Yeah.
so I'm always a little bit nervous these days, but there we are. Hello, puppy.
Hi, has she come on?
Hello. Hello, don't you come out.
Tea?
It's all right, I'm a fast runner.
Yeah, she's alright.
Yeah, and this is all for you. Hello. What are you? There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. In you go, in you go. There you go.
Thank
See you next time then. Cheers. Right. I'll bring you back at the next order. Honest Gov. But another blistering evening in Poole.